Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a few things to show you this morning. I have the winners for the hidden giveaway of the miniature Blythe, and we'll get to that in just a minute. I have some of my girls standing here. My Wednesday Addams is standing here because she's excited about Dolls Gone Goth. Don't forget about that challenge of black flowers on the 16th. These two are just standing here because, well, Erin's about my favorite right now. They're standing here in their little St. Pat's outfits. And then my little chubby girl, I just love my little chubby Blythe, is standing here with a head nod to the 1972 Blythe in her orange shoes and her psychedelic dress. Darren just printed this troll. I hope that the shine and the glisten from this copper filament is coming through. I absolutely love these trolls, and these metallic are just fun. This just came off, just came off the printer in this color, and I just wanted to show it to you. And then this girl has a new outfit, and I like the combination of the well, Tammy Polly called it melted wax type fabric with the peacocks. I just thought it was kind of cute. This is my little model. No shoes or anything. I got a package from AliExpress, and I always say, and you really, really should, open all of your everything. I mean, eBay, especially AliExpress, any of your foreign packages, open on film, so that if there is a problem or something is broken, they don't say, well, you could have dropped it or whatever. These dolls I ordered for a specific purpose, mostly because I absolutely love them. And I wanted to make sure, these dolls come with their hair parted in the middle and on the side. And I wanted to make sure that these dolls have, boy, this is some greasy blank hair. Wow, this is really greasy hair. Can you see? It's not choppy though, so that's good. But boy, that's greasy. That's going to take quite the treatment. Okay, and what do I do for that? You know what I have found best? I've tried everything. I've tried everything with this hair. What I have found best is I brush it out, I take them into my bathtub, clean, dry bathtub, and I take the hair and I lay it all the way out, and I take baby powder and I just sprinkle that in, turn them over, sprinkle again, and then I take their hair and kind of go like this to sop up any of the fallen baby powder, and then I let that sit overnight, and the next morning I do the same thing again. It takes 2 shampoo washings to get the powder all the way out, but that takes all of the grease out in a more natural way, and you don't have to fight the grease cleaners. Okay, let's make sure the eyes work. Yep, we're looking good here. I love Blythe dolls. I love them. All right, let's check the other one, who should look the same and have the same part. That's what I was most concerned about. Oh, don't mix up my order. I need that middle part. It matters. Okay. I am working on custom dolls. Time. I have so much going on right now, and I'm sewing a lot to get to where I'm going. Okay, this one's hair, not as greasy, but greasy, but not as choppy. We used to say it's so black it's purple. Kind of is. Okay, it's not. It's coal black, but I'm saying it's really, really black. Okay, eyes are working fine. This one clicks nicer than the other one. So we are good there. All right, we did a video the other day, and in that video, it was the St. Charles, I think, train show. We showed a video of going to the train show and what we got and everything. And in that video, I had taken Mini Blythe with me and set her around. And we had a hidden giveaway for this miniature Blythe doll. And look what Darren just started making, these little tiny itty bitty pull rings. Is that the cutest? When you do these little eyes, let me get the strings, I kind of got them tangled here in her hair. Okay, when you pull these, you pull them very, very gently, and they open and they close her eyes. I love this doll. I really love that purple. She comes with a stand, extra shoes, and some goodies in here I'm not going to tell you about because I don't want to spoil the unboxing for the person that won this doll. I had 2 words in the hidden video that needed to be in the comments, and I want to do a shout out to every channel that heard them. These are the channels that watched my video and heard about the hidden giveaway and gave the correct 2 words. Sandy Cummer, Holly's Dolly Hobby, Witchit, J Dolls UK, Sarah Cole, Ayla Avar, Dolly Me, It's a Stroke of Life Melissa, Lori, Tammy Eubanks, Ann Control, KC's Joy, Gail Holt, Playful Reborns, Patricia's Dolly Dreams, Carmen Y. Monero, Nola's Dolls and Aquatics, Toby Mayo, Tracy Lorenz Hines, Little Midwest Reborn Dolls, and Never Too Old for Dolls. So since everybody wasn't included because they didn't add the words, we picked one person from this group, and the person we picked is a what we call active subscriber, and that is you come to my channel, you watch my videos, you leave a like and a comment, and we so appreciate that. We send out items from time to time. This one is going to It's a Stroke of Life Melissa. And like I said, I'm not going to show you everything in the little box because let Melissa have her opening video and she can show you. Thank you for watching, and I sincerely mean it when I say thank you so much to my active subscribers. Without you, I wouldn't have a channel, and without Darren. I should give him more shouts out. I couldn't have a channel at all without him. And thank you so much, Darren, for all the 3D printing you do and the fooling around with the eyes and that to make these little dolls cuter. We will be offering more of the little miniature Blythes. I had planned 12 last year. I came into some problems and wasn't able to get those out. Doll Joy Lissa, you're getting yours. I'm sorry it hasn't happened yet, but you are getting yours. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe.